Okay, I ain't giving you an update lately, but I want to show you what I've done. I've got all the wiring and the plumbing is complete, thank goodness. There's inlet, overflow, and I always stick a bubbler in there too, just in case I'm in fresh water and I have something salt like shrimp and you get up into creeks and you can't pump fresh water on shrimp, it'll kill them, so I always put a bubbler in both of them. Anyway, I walk around. Those black lines are just like cable protectors that's covering the bubbler pipe. If you can see, I got all my drains, I got my incoming, my outgoing. If you can see, I got everything wired. I'm gonna move my battery up there. I got all my wires in there, my switches. Yeah, I got my floor in. I reset the rod holders so they stick out at a more of a 90 degree instead of straight back. Give me a little bit more spread. There's my through holes, Seacocks on there. Had a time with those, and those little blue ones, what they're for is so I can turn the water on or off one side or the other. And so if I've got bait but no fish in here, I can run my water to one side. So going around, there's my switches. I don't know if you can see them. Got my switch panel, got my on off kill switch. I got a little thing for the battery to go into. I got my steering wheel fixed. The steering system C-Star was missing a tooth, so every time you turned it, it would skip. You had to keep turning, and I was like, well, let me go ahead and stick another one on there. So I bought a whole new underneath the guts in there and put that on by using the same steering wheel. Going back around, switches again. Here's some of my wiring. I've got my blocks in there. I've got a hot and a cold. I don't know if you can see the hot. It's black. I had a black one. I wasn't going to go ahead and turn around and buy another one just for that. There's my bubbler right there. Pipe's going down. It's wired. It's hot. It's connected by this one of these switches. I'm not going to replace those. So that black line goes all the way around. See, it comes in here. Goes in there. There's the bubbler. There's the overfill. There's my fill. I'm also putting two rod holders here and here. I've got those all cut out and ready to go. And getting ready to put some foam in the floor. And then put my deck on. Still had to find hadn't found a trailer yet. Still looking. But it'll come pretty soon. Put a GPS depth finder right there. One more thing. The only thing I've got left to wire, I'm gonna put some courtesy lights. I'm gonna fill this in right here on the outside. Put like a couple trays there. I'm gonna stick a courtesy light under there, just to kind of, lighten it up at night. Anyway, that's it.